Hi there, legends. Laura from the training team here at Lexer. And today, I'm going to be showing you the power and simplicity of the Lexer platform by walking through how you can create customer segments for personalized campaigns. So, let's jump straight into the hub and get started. So, firstly, let's look at how we can identify and re-engage customers who haven't shopped with our brand in the last 6 months. Lexer's Segment Builder is the tool for this. So I am going to navigate over from our home page into Understand in the top navigation bar, which takes us to the Segment Builder. We're going to create a segment made up of our email active customers, but who haven't made a purchase in the last 6 months. To do this, we need to find a few attributes and add them to our Segment Builder. Let's start with our email engagement attributes first. We're looking for customers who are active on email. So we want to search for last email click and also last email open. And we'll qualify these attributes by including in the last 90 days. So I add this to both, as we want to search for all profiles who have either clicked or opened an email in the last 90 days. Now we're going to drag and drop these down into the should have at least one of these section of the builder. The final attribute we want to add to this query is last order date, and we need to qualify this a bit by adding in the last 6 months. So I pop that in there. And then once that's done, we drag and drop this attribute into the but not have section of the builder because we want to exclude any profiles who have made a purchase in the last 6 months. So what this query is asking is, find all profiles that have opened or clicked an email in the last 90 days but haven't made a purchase in the last 6 months. I hit search and this is the customer segment that matches this query. We can save this segment by clicking Save as New Segment and filling in some details. And we can also create a similar segment that includes customers who have not made a purchase in the last 6 months and have also not engaged with emails recently. In this instance, we would simply need to drag and drop our last email open and last email click into the but not have section of the builder and then hit search again. We can now activate these segments and try to re-engage these customers via our chosen social media or email channels. To do so, we navigate out of the segment builder and into Engage, which takes us to our activations tool. We select new activation and then click on the channel we wish to activate to. In this case, we're going to select Klaviyo because maybe we want to send our email active segment a discount code to entice them to make a new purchase. We choose the segment we want to activate, fill in some details, and then hit Run Activation. This will then push our segment into Klaviyo, and these profiles will receive our re-engagement email campaign. Now for our second use case. We have a new product range coming, and we want to identify the segment of customers for whom this is most relevant. We navigate back to our segment builder and start creating these audiences. For the purposes of this demo, let's say we have a new range of t-shirts coming out leading into summer. We can use our smart search feature to find customers who made a t-shirt purchase last summer and might like to buy something from our new range this summer. So in our segment builder, we find our smart search attributes and select product purchased. Now we add some filters. Firstly, product name, and we're going to add the Tiffany fitness tee. But you could also use the product category attribute here and just add t-shirts as a more general search. And secondly, purchase date, and we add our summer dates from last year. And now all we have to do is hit search, and we have our customer segment. Again, you can save this segment and then activate to your chosen channels. We can also find customers who have browsed this category but haven't made a purchase. This uses our Lexer tag attributes, which are attributes created using customer browsing behavior. So I reset the segment builder And now we want to search for categories viewed, which means the categories a customer has browsed while on our website. We just add a filter and include teas. Now we add the product name attribute and filter for any t-shirts. Now again, we can use the product category attribute here too and add t-shirts as a more general search. We then drag and drop this attribute into the but not have section of the builder because we're looking for profiles who have browsed the t-shirt category on our website but haven't actually made a purchase. So we hit search and we get our segment, which can be saved and then activated. For our final use case, let's look at how we can target our most valuable customers in a certain area for a VIP event we might want to run. So we reset the segment builder and then firstly, let's find our most valuable customers. And this is really easy because Lexer sets up this customer segment out of the box for you. All we have to do is search for very high value top 25% and add it to the segment builder. Now we can search for the city attribute and filter for the city or area that we want to target. For example, maybe we want to search for customers who live around our Melbourne CBD store because that's where we're holding this event. All we'd have to do is search and filter for that particular city. Once this is done, we have our customer segment, and again, we can save and then activate to one of our chosen integrations, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, for example, inviting them to attend our VIP event. But that's it for our use cases. You'll be creating and activating segments like Lexer Pros in no time. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.